Welcome to a brand new episode. MrBeast's #1 rule: your content is king. If your videos aren't engaging, no algorithm trick can save you. Make every second count. It wasn't by chance or overnight success. He cracked the code to keep millions glued to their screens, video after video. Today, we're diving into his game-changing advice, the tips, tricks, and mindset that turned his channel into a global phenomenon. And trust me, it's gold. If you've ever dreamed of building your own empire, this is the inspiration and roadmap you need to get started. MrBeast spends hours studying his analytics, what works, what doesn't, and where viewers drop off. The data doesn't lie. Use it to your advantage. If your videos aren't engaging, no algorithm trick can save you. The key is to hook your audience in the first 5 seconds, grab their attention like their life depends on it. Then, make every second count. Cut the fluff, keep the energy high, and always leave them wanting more. Whether it's crazy stunts or heartfelt moments, every part of your video should deliver value or entertainment. Remember, people come for the content, not the gimmicks. So ask yourself, if you weren't you, would you watch your own video? Consistency is key. Whether you're posting once a week or once a month, stick to a schedule so your audience knows when to expect you. Think of it like a TV show. Your viewers should look forward to your uploads as part of their routine, but it's not just about showing up regularly, it's about showing up with quality. Don't sacrifice value just to hit a deadline. Find a balance that works for you, one that keeps your content fresh and your viewers engaged. Remember, consistent effort builds trust, and trust builds a loyal community. MrBeast reinvests almost all his earnings into creating bigger and better videos. Whether it's better equipment or crazier ideas, it's all about making your next video unforgettable. Why copy when you can innovate? MrBeast says originality is what sets you apart. Don't just follow trends, create them. Anyone can jump on a trend, but the creators who leave a lasting mark are the ones who make the trends. Think big, think different, and don't be afraid to take risks. Whether it's a wild challenge or a heartfelt story, focus on ideas that excite you and your audience. Originality doesn't mean reinventing the wheel, it means putting your unique twist on it. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity, and being true to your style is what makes you unforgettable. So, are you ready to follow MrBeast's blueprint? Start focusing on quality, consistency, and originality today, and let's see where it takes you.